Guys, Infinix Smart 8. Yung power on lang, volume down. Ayan. Ayan guys ha. Diin muna. Volume down. Pag nag-on, release yung power. Naiwan lang guys yung down. Okay. Volume down. Wipe data. Wipe data guys. I-press yung power on. Factory. Power on. Reboot. Yung power on. Ito natin guys. Infinix Smart 8. Dalawang klase to guys. Merong Smart 8 Plus. Ito natin. Ito guys, karamihan guys may Gmail account pa to. Ayan, pag may ganon, sakaling alam nyo naman yung Gmail account, ilagin nyo na lang yung Gmail account nyo. Pero pag hindi, bypass pa yun. Wait muna natin guys na tumuloy. Infinix. Ang tagal guys mag-boot. Pero wala na yung guys na password or pattern, wala na. Kasi na-format na natin. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Bye bye.